The ice melt blocks kit contains 1 block made of aluminum, 1 block made of high-density foam, and 2 O-rings. The ice melt blocks look the same. Will the blocks melt ice at the same rate? Thermal conductivity refers to the ability of a given material to conduct and/or transfer heat. Conductors allow energy to pass. Insulators slow energy. Thermal conductivity principles state: some materials conduct heat better than others. Place the ice on the black blocks at the same time. Very quickly you will see the ice begin to melt on one of the blocks. One of the blocks is foam. One block is aluminum. The aluminum block is a much better conductor of heat than the foam block. The energy stored as heat in the aluminum block was transferred to the ice when it melted. The aluminum block has less thermal energy now. The aluminum block melted ice faster and felt cooler because it is a better conductor of heat than the foam block. Thermal conductivity has practical uses. Materials are often chosen specifically for their ability to conduct heat. Materials are chosen for cooking elements for their conductive properties. Other materials are chosen for thermoses for their insulative properties.